isa pang hinahangaan ko sa iyo, Barbie, is you're being able to balance your on-screen and off-screen partners. Di ba? Because in an early interview, sinabi mo yung ayaw mo ng love teams. Wala pa yatang barda nun every fifth of the day. Hi, David. Thank you for guesting on the show. Parang hindi ka masyado sa, you wanted to work on your own and then Jack was going to work on your own. Nangyari ang Maria Clara, kinagat talaga, and then you paid tribute pa to David na trabaho talaga ito. He worked hard on this, and then pumasok ka at kinagat nga ng mga fans. Pero yung balanse, di ba? Yung walang confusion between what is on-screen and off-screen. Paano mo ginagawa yun?
Siguro dahil secure din po naman ako sa sarili ko and kung paano ko pinalaki ng family ko, hindi po ba yung values ko, intact naman siya, malinaw naman sa akin kung alin ang work, and thankfully, I'm already here in the business for 14 years, so galing din naman ako sa Love Team before, way back,
right.
So kahit papano, medyo may knowledge na rin ako kung paano siya i-handle.
And how you handle this up to this very moment is you do conversations with David, you do conversations with Jack, you set boundaries, ganon?
With Jack, hindi talaga namin siya pinag-usapan. Hindi ko alam kung ganong kalawak ang mindset niya, pero parang wala kasi siyang pinakita sa aking dahilan para i-explain ko pa sa kanya yung sitwasyon. And siguro nanggagaling yun sa parehas naming pangarap na maabot yung ganitong klaseng recognition and makilala din. So parang alam na namin sa sarili namin na suportahan na lang talaga. With David, I'm not sure if he talked to Jack about it. It would have been nice, pero hindi kailangan, not necessary. Kahit naman kasi ako, hindi rin namin pinag-usapan ni Jack. It's more of like maturity for the whole situation sa nangyayari, galing sa aming tatlo, na parang kahit naman din si David ay isang well-known businessman, so
right.
Alam niya ang mga galawang ganyan. And ang pinakamagandang nakuha namin sa trabahong ito ay yung friendship namin, hindi nawala. Friendship ni Jack ni David, friendship namin ni David, yung relationship namin ni Jack, walang nasira.
And the best thing is that you honor also your chemistry, kayo ni David. At isang pinakamagandang bagay na ipapakita nyo ang paggalang nyo sa mga fans. Because my last conversation with David, for example, we talked about, may pressure din eh. Because may mga tao who continue to ship the both of you. May mga tao na kahit alam na nila, they still wish. Ako, fan ako, alam ko yun eh. Nagnanais pa rin na sana ang magkatuluyan si David at saka si Barbie. But the way you guys are handling this is really admirable. Alam mo yun, ito yung dito, ito yung dito. Okay, si David has, si Jack has JRU. Diba? Si David naman ay may DLSU. Ikaw, Barbie, anong meron ka?
Meron akong Barbie Forteza University, major in self-worth.
Oy! Ang kailangan mag-enroll dyan ay tumawag lamang ho dito sa Fast Talk.
May hotline po kami. Okay.